If you are a creator tired of spending hours editing, you need a smarter workflow to make your videos look pro without the grind. Today, I am walking you through how to build a slick animated end card for your YouTube videos that keeps people watching. We will also cover what YouTube actually allows in those last few seconds and how to pair that with AI to turn long-form content into viral clips. Think of this as your step-by-step guide to saving massive amounts of time while scaling your reach. So first, why bother with an animated end card at all when you could just fade to black? It is simple. Those final seconds are prime real estate to nudge viewers to subscribe or click another video. A clean animated end screen looks significantly more polished and professional than a boring static image. It keeps people engaged and is one of the easiest ways to convert a viewer into a subscriber. Before we build anything, you have to know the rules. YouTube end screens only work in the final 20 seconds of your video. That is a hard limit, so do not try to squeeze them in earlier than that. You have to be careful with the restricted zone because interactive elements like subscribe buttons cannot overlap each other. You can only show 2 video elements at once, so always design your layout with that box in mind. Alright, let us actually make something now. There are plenty of services that make this easy, like PlaceIt, which is one of the fastest options for pre-made animated templates. They have tons of designs you can customize in minutes by swapping out colors, fonts, and background media. It is dead simple to pick a template, change the brand color, and type in a call to action like "Watch next." Just upload your background image or clip, preview the animation, and you are ready to go. A couple of small but important tips. When customizing, turn off the template music so you can handle the audio mix in your editor. You want the colors and fonts to match your channel branding so it feels like a native part of your video. Just remember that free exports might have watermarks, so you might need to budget for a fee to get a clean file. Here's a pro trick. Many templates let you adjust the animation speed to perfectly fit your needs. If your template defaults to 9 seconds, you can slow the animation down to make it last longer. Just keep it under 20 seconds, otherwise, your interactive elements will not fit within the YouTube limit. Once you have rendered your file, import that video into your editor of choice, whether it is Premiere, Final Cut, or DaVinci. Drop it at the end of your main timeline and trim it so the visuals disappear exactly when your outro audio finishes. For a smoother look, add a small transition like a cross dissolve so the end card blends perfectly into the finish. After you export that full video and upload it to YouTube, head over to YouTube Studio to add your interactive elements. Go to the end screens section and add your subscribe button and video links, moving them to line up with your graphics. You will know you are good because YouTube prevents the elements from overlapping or going outside the safe zone. Now, while this is great for one video, you do not want to be doing this manual workflow every single time. This is where AI repurposing tools like Vizard come in to help you scale without turning into an editor 24/7. Think bigger. Your long-form video is actually a goldmine of short clips that are perfect for social media. End screens are great for the tail end of a video, but short clips are how you actually get discovered by new viewers. If you can automatically generate shorts from your uploads and post them across TikTok or Instagram, you create a massive multiplier. Vizard analyzes your long video and auto-detects high engagement moments, saving you hours of manual scrubbing. It also handles auto-scheduling, so you just tell it when to post and it builds your content calendar for you. This way, your animated end card lives in the long video, while your shorts act as the discovery engine. Comparing this to other options, Canva is great for graphics, but it is not optimized for mass clip extraction like AI tools are. And heavyweight editors like Premiere give you total control, but they eat up all your time when you need to make 10 clips a week. So the winning combo is using a template service for the end card and an AI tool like Vizard to handle the heavy lifting of repurposing. When those shorts drive new viewers to your channel, your polished end screen is waiting to convert them. Here are a few quick tips to make sure this whole system works smoothly for your channel. Keep your calls to action short and punchy, like "Watch next," and make sure the text matches what you actually say in the outro. Always remember to turn off template music and add your own consistent audio so the transitions feel natural. Also, try testing 2 different versions of your end card to see which one drives more clicks after a few uploads. Finally, use the analytics from your repurposing tool to see which clips bring the most traffic, and use that to guide your future content. To wrap up, use a template service for a fast end card and an AI tool to turn your long uploads into a steady stream of shorts. Start small by automating 1 end card and a week of scheduled shorts, then scale once you see the results. It is not magic. It is just setting up systems that let your best content find new audiences without burning you out. If you want, I can break this down further into specific steps for your editor, so let me know in the comments. Get those end cards looking sharp, make your content do more work for you, and I will see you in the next one.